Praveen is someone who knows about innovation. He earned his master's in electrical engineering from IIT in 1989. His development of a corporate performance measurement system and his body of work on innovative quality principles are influencing businesses and organizations around the world, and we're proud to count him as an alum. While leading his consulting company, Praveen still finds time to instruct students at our Rice campus. And although he cares deeply about education, he advises students to worry about learning, not grades. He even has an exercise in which he teaches the students to, quote, think stupid. Where do we sign up? That sounds pretty good. I'd like to learn that. Praveen always challenges us to think in new and different ways, and we appreciate his insight and creativity. He has even been described as a modern-day philosopher. As president of Excelper Consulting, Praveen uses his ideas and knowledge to help companies grow and become more profitable. The world can't wait to hear what you come up with next, Praveen. Congratulations. And here's Hans Maru. Hans came to IIT in the late 1960s when computers were still a novelty. Coming from India, Hans had only been able to view a Russian computer from afar.